Do you want to start your own business like Uber, Ola, where customer can choose pickup and drop location and do taxi and bike booking? Then check out our latest client application in Apple created by us. So this is the user app. User can choose his pickup and drop location and he can book rental like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour and he can book rental booking. In our application we have three types of booking: rental, normal taxi and ride without destination, and in this video you will be able to see them. And this is rental booking. That is how a customer will make a order and that is how the driver will receive the order. He can accept the booking. In this app, nearby drivers receive orders and the one who accepted get the order. And now the driver will start the ride. He will go to the customer location and start a ride. And now he will enter a OTP coming in the customer app. And that is how a driver can start the trip. And now you are on the trip. You can track the trip and everything. And now the driver is ready to end the trip. And now customer can give a 5-star review and the driver can also give a 5-star review. And that's how rental ride works in our app. You can see contact number of admin. You can also see all the other features like history and also all the past booking will be shown here. You can see detail of each booking also. In our uberclone 2023 combo, you can also get document uploading and everything. The admin can control these documents. The driver can also see his earning by daily, weekly, and he can also see reports. So everything for Ola, uberclone, ready-made taxi business is now available. For more, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on a screen, or you can also visit raunix.com. So our team can help you. In our uberclone 2023, we also give ride without destination. You click on it and you just start your trip and you don't need to choose any drop location. Ride without destination feature is good when you are going to be a traveler or you are going on a trip. And that's how a customer can start the trip. And now similarly, like the past trip, the driver will ask a OTP from the user. And now the driver will start the trip. And now the driver will end the trip. And that is how our Uber Ola clone taxi application work. If you want to start your own taxi business, you can directly WhatsApp us. Number is showing on your screen, or you can visit raunix.com. So our team can help you and make your own taxi app. What are you waiting for? Contact us and we'll help you to launch your own taxi business. For more, you can visit raunix.com. In this combo, you will get a user Android app, driver Android app, admin panel, website, and 1-year free technical support. If you are looking for Android plus iOS, then you will get user Android app, driver Android app, user iOS app, driver iOS app, website admin, and 1-year free technical support. Ready to launch platform. We can do everything in 7 to 8 days. Other depends upon your confirmation. For more, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on your screen, or you can also mail us on this mail ID, or you can also visit raunix.com. So our team can help you the best.